Did you know that the Y chromosome, which determines male sex in humans, is slowly disappearing? This tiny piece of genetic material that plays a key role in the development of males is shrinking, and scientists believe it may vanish completely in the next few million years. But what does this mean for the future of humanity? Could we be facing a world where only females are born? Or will we evolve new systems for reproduction? Stick around as we dive into the fascinating science behind this shrinking chromosome and what it could mean for the future of our species. In humans and most mammals, males have one X and one Y chromosome, while females have two X chromosomes. The Y chromosome is responsible for male sex determination. It's much smaller than the X chromosome, about 1/3 the size, with only around 55 genes compared to the X's 900 genes. The magic starts at around 12 weeks after conception, when a specific gene on the Y chromosome, called the SRY gene, kicks into action. This gene triggers the formation of male reproductive organs by activating another crucial gene known as SOX9. In short, without the Y chromosome, we wouldn't have males. But here's where things get interesting. Over the course of 166 million years, the Y chromosome has been losing genes. Originally, it had around 900, but today it's down to just 55. According to a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science, if this trend continues, the Y chromosome could disappear entirely in about 11 million years. At this rate, the Y chromosome is shrinking at about 5 genes per million years. Researchers like Professor Jenny Graves from La Trobe University have been studying this phenomenon. She points out that the Y chromosome's degeneration isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and if it disappears, it could have dramatic effects on human reproduction. But what happens if the Y chromosome does disappear? Are we looking at the extinction of males and humanity as we know it? Well, not exactly. Researchers have found that 2 rodent species, the mole voles of Eastern Europe and the spiny rats of Japan, have already lost their Y chromosomes, and they're still thriving. A study led by Dr. Asato Kuroiwa from Hokkaido University discovered that in spiny rats, genes that were once on the Y chromosome have been transferred to other chromosomes. These rats have even evolved a new male-determining gene located near the SOX9 gene on chromosome 3, which compensates for the loss of the SRY gene. This means there's hope that humans too could evolve new mechanisms for male sex determination if the Y chromosome disappears. But there's a catch. Professor Jenny Graves warns that the evolution of a new sex-determining gene comes with risks. If different regions of the world evolve different mechanisms for determining sex, we could see the rise of entirely new human species. Imagine a future where humans across the globe are divided not by culture or language, but by their genetic structure, each group with its own way of determining male and female. This process, known as speciation, has already been observed in mole voles and spiny rats. If multiple sex determination systems evolve in different parts of the world, it's possible that in 11 million years, Earth could be home to several different human species, each kept apart by their unique genetic makeup. So, what does this mean for the future of humanity? While the shrinking Y chromosome might sound alarming, nature has a way of adapting. The evolution of new sex-determining systems, as seen in rodents, gives us hope that we could find new ways to survive, even if the Y chromosome disappears. However, this is not a process without risks. If different regions evolve distinct systems, we could be looking at the formation of multiple human species in the future, forever altering the course of our evolution. The disappearance of the Y chromosome might not mean the end of humanity, but it could mark the beginning of something entirely new. What do you think? Will humans evolve to survive the loss of the Y chromosome? Or could we be headed for a future where new human species emerge? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the future of genetics and evolution. Thanks for watching.